You don't like, do you do a lot of research for this? Or you kind of just go with your gut? I go with, you know, whatever the house, every house is like a little different, so I kind of just go with, whatever the feel of the house is. Like we're working off of the existing roof color. If we change the windows, if we're not changing the windows, you know, the shape of the brick, does it need to be repaired or veneered over, or we just rip it out or painted it over. Started while we were working on that, but we're still waiting on all the permit approvals for the whole summer.
Yeah.
Just because, you know, the time we're done renovating it, and then
And this type of house is a 4 or 5 month renovation, something like that?
no, it's going to be a quick one too. We're just waiting on the permit process.
Okay.
But once we get the work started, something like this probably take 6 weeks.
Okay, so it's
It's going to be a quick one.
But permits and going through permits,
Exactly. You're waiting on the township approval. You're on that timeline at that point. You know, everything's
you got to
submitted.
take that into consideration.
Yeah, everything's submitted, and from them, once we get approval from it, then we can get started. But over here, there was a collapse. I'll show you when we get inside. Let's check this bad boy out.
Oh man.
One, put the lockbox on the bucket.
I wasn't recording, but Jay, tell them how Jagger
Wait,
put the
Rahway.
lockbox. Wasn't it you?
AKA the property guy over
That
here.
one again? Yeah.
So it was locked on that.
Here was a lockbox. So in case you needed to get access to it, you just take it off.
And then you just smash it in
Yeah,
there. Right here, there it is. Not doing that anymore.
I'll put that out there.
Oh shit.
But yeah, so this house, we got actually Seth, so we renovated the house right over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. But Seth, what is Seth? It's, I guess, title was.
Head of construction.
Head of construction, our head of construction, Seth, he saw there was some tape here. So there was some construction happening. He introduced himself, Seth, you're the man, and he was able to introduce me to the owner, and then we ended up buying it. So cool.
Sweet.
Buy. Yeah.
All right, let's take a little tour.
Yeah. Yeah. So I mean, this is the living room. Like we're talking like that. What do you think of this?
Yeah, I think it's clean all around. Ideally, we'd like to open up this wall here into that living space.
Yeah.
So structurally, that's something that we would need to do, and then renovate the kitchen and add an island. You can get a glimpse of that as well.
This would be the dining. Do you guys open this up?
Yeah, we'd open this up and open that up, which is the living space. That would be the plan. So this is the wall this is the wall here. We have a staircase here, so we can't really go too far, but from this point going forward, right here, that's where we would get that open concept that we would like to get.
So we got the kitchen, dining, and the living room combo.
Gotcha.
The washer dryer in the bathroom.
Yeah, you
the
guys in
idea-
the basement.
The idea is, to separate that. So even though it's nice having on this floor, move the washer and dryer in the basement, and then just make this a full bathroom. Yeah,
Yeah.
full bathroom. It's not the ideal location for a full bath, but
It's better to have like a bath than no bath because of the placing, right?
So this is the garage?
Yep. So all similar to West Milton with the side door and the garage access. And then you have the hall to the bedroom.
Yeah, there's no lights, power is shut to the property right now until we get these permits approved and get a new panel installed.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's why you're gonna get this dark video.
Bedroom.
So these hardwood floors are staying, right?
Yeah, all those floors are staying, and then we'll sand and stain them the same color like we did down on the
The
property.
grayish.
Yeah, the grayish color.
Gotcha.
I didn't realize it was this big.
Oh, this is the master?
Yeah, nice size.
Yeah.
And refinishing the floors are up here. A lot of the work is in the bath's kitchen and the basement.
Gotcha. Here's the bathroom?
The existing full bath, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this house is in pretty good shape.
Yeah.
Wall oven.
I feel like I'm seeing more houses doing that now.
What the heck?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is where all your work's gonna be getting taken place, as you can see.
So this is why it didn't sell on the market.
As good as the shape is up there, we're missing a whole entire foundation wall on the side of the house.
Oh, this is outside, literally.
Outside, yeah.
Oh, you never seen this?
No, I've never seen
No,
this.
yeah.
Oh, wow.
Crazy, right?
So you guys take stuff like this on all the time? Well, I guess we do.
That's not the plan, but so that's why we don't have electric. So the panel and a lot of the plumbing was over there. That's like why there's nothing coming into the house.
Wow.
Yeah, you can see
Someone-
where the main waistline was that got destroyed. Wow. The wall blew out from a rainstorm and got undermined. And that's it. We lost the waistline. new panel. So all this stuff is gonna be filed with the township, and then we're just waiting on the approval to start this work down here.
Wow, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the heavy part of the job,
Yeah.
I'm guessing. Okay.
And even this has high ceilings too. So once this is done, like you're gonna have like a lot of like usable space for whatever you want it for.
Yeah, it's so true.
They had a pool table beforehand, right? So there's like a rec room. They had 2 kids, so
Wow.
yeah, like, you're gonna have a lot of space. And the mechanicals are gonna stay over here.
Yeah.
So yeah, they got all this space now to do whatever you need to once this is done.
All right.
Yeah, so yeah, guys, we'll keep you guys posted on the progress with this one, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy it.